guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. And we're going to be doing a project today on the Bling mirror. Since I now have my metallic paint that I needed before, when I started it wasn't working out. So now I have what I need. I'm going to get started. And if this is your first time to my channel, thank you, welcome. And hope you enjoy. And if you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And look, we're gonna get started. Let's get to it. Okay guys, first things first, this is the Rust-Oleum metallic silver paint that I used. And we sprayed the circumference of the mirror, which was a brown wood, to its entirety. Of course, the mirror is covered up with tape and paper. And the mirror itself is like an etched glass. You'll see that at the end. And we're almost done. I was just doing the bottom of the mirror. And then we have our supplies, the cracked glass, the glitter, the Mod Podge. And okay guys, now we have our metallic silver spray paint on the mirror with the frosted design on it. And then this is our crushed glass. Has some Mod Podge. Brush, paintbrush. Just gonna use this to apply the glass. Got some E6000 just in case, and this is clear. And we have some Recollections shimmer. See that? And then my favorite little embellishment, I like to put this on my little projects. So with no further ado, let's get started. So right here, guys, I'm just putting this embellishment on all around the mirror, on the inside of the mirror. It's the inner layer of the mirror here. And right here, I've taken the E6000, put it on the mirror, of course, and moved it with the brush, put the crushed glass, pat it down. I did the whole mirror like this. And then I went over with my Podge for sealant. And this is the final result. This is how it turned out. I really like it. I like it more than the first one, I think. I don't know if it's because of the embellishments here. But if you like, please comment, subscribe, share, and until next time, bye.